Basic meaning. Use some and any to talk about an indefinite amount or number. We do not say the exact quantity. Example: there are some apples on the table. Example: there aren't any chairs in the room. Some in positive sentences. Use some in positive sentences when there is a little or a few of something. Example: I have some milk in the fridge. Example: she bought some flowers at the market. We also use some in offers and requests when we expect a yes answer. Example: would you like some tea? Example: can I have some water, please? Any in negative sentences. Use any in negative sentences with not. It means zero or none. Example: I don't have any money in my bag. Example: there isn't any bread on the plate. Any in questions. Use any in most questions when you ask if something exists or is available. Example: are there any eggs in the box? Example: do you have any homework today? Countable and uncountable nouns. Use some and any with plural countable nouns and with uncountable nouns. Example: we need some bananas for the picnic. Example: we don't need any rice for dinner. Do not use some or any with one singular countable noun. Use a or an instead. Example: I have a sandwich in my lunchbox. Example: she has an umbrella in her hand. Examples: there is some orange juice on the table. There aren't any cookies in the jar. I need some paper for my drawing. Do you have any pencils in your bag? We saw some birds in the park. They don't have any clean plates. Would you like some soup? Are there any buses near the school? My father bought some cheese. We don't see any clouds today. Can I have some sugar for my coffee? He doesn't want any help with the box. There are some toys on the floor. Is there any water in the bottle? The children found some shells on the beach. Quiz. Choose an option. Some. I have some apples in my basket. Choose an option. Any. There isn't any milk in the fridge. Choose an option. Any. Do you have any coins in your pocket? Choose an option. Some. She bought some bread at the bakery. Choose an option. Any. We don't need any tomatoes for the salad. Choose an option. Some. Would you like some coffee? Choose an option. Any. Are there any books on the desk? Choose an option. Some. There are some fish in the pond. Choose an option. Any. He doesn't have any friends in this city. Choose an option. Some. Can I have some juice, please? Choose an option. Any. There aren't any pictures on the wall. Choose an option. My mother made some rice for lunch. Choose an option. Any. Is there any sugar in the bowl? Choose an option. Some. We saw some cats near the shop. Choose an option. Any. I don't see any stars tonight.